External factor number 3, technology. Technological factors influence organizations around the world. It requires organizations to change their behaviors from the aspect of traditional marketing. Technology affects the way of how people work, and it can increase the efficiency and reduce the cost of business. The employees that the company hires will be highly specialized in terms of the ability and skills in the area of technology. Google's website about their available job. They set up a website to hire people with who they really want. For example, software engineer, data center engineer, technical solution engineer, cloud manager, technical program manager, and GPU software engineer. Technology has influenced the job analysis of Google. Google also prefers people who have experience with program language such as Java. So technology has affected the recruitment of Google's HRM in terms of what talent they want. So technology has also changed the Google's recruitment approaches. At the same time, Google's HRM will set new objectives and activities for its employees in order to develop the website. So technology can change the working orientation. Next, external factor number 4, economic environment. Economic environment will affect the development of enterprises and company profits. Enterprises should analyze the economic environment and the economic structure, economic level, and the economic policy to develop the correct business strategy. Since 1970, countries such as China, India, South Africa, and the United Kingdom has increased their GDP, which is a positive factor for Google. This will allow Google to improve users for better products and service. In recent years, inflation rates in the United States, the United Kingdom, India, South Africa, and China have grown every year, and the current state of the economy has an impact on Google's human resources, which will affect Google's talent library and Google's ability to hire employees. And if economic conditions fall, Google may have to cut employees and reduce recruitment. This could lead to a loss of human resource in Google, which can lead to a reduction in company's profits and affect the company's development. Google can use human resources to set up teams to analyze the market environment and economic conditions, and they can plan for the company to help companies face the problem. Next, I'm going to talk about strategy. Google's human resource management system includes payroll management, performance management, and training management. Google's human resources management system will analyze the market conditions and market competitiveness. Google's human resource management system will evaluate the work of the staff to complete the situation and the staff to evaluate their own. Google's pay system is targeted at different departments and different positions. Google has created a performance-oriented pay system. Google's HR system analyzes employees' performance and employee behavior based on results, and it has a staff training program. Google will train employees based on market conditions and company needs. Google's HR system also includes two strategies. These two strategies affect recruitment. Google's recruitment include internal and external recruitment. So this source Google combining the capabilities of these employees with the needs of human resource. Google has a large number of talents. Google set up a term which means Google have to hire people which they really want, selections. Google have background checks, testing, and interviews. The training and development. Google has a large number of courses to train employees, and Google guide employees to work and improve employees' productivities. Participation management. Google have a unique management. Their employees cannot pass the don't allow past the middle department. They can send the report to the top department and make recommendations. They give employees more autonomy, working atmosphere. It can reduce the internal coordination cost of human resource. Incentives. Google's incentives include multiple firms organize employees. They organize employees to travel and pay employees bonuses. Job security. Google enhance the communication between the organization and employees. They increase the sense of belonging. They get employees work for the company. Employee welfare. Google has a variety of employee benefit programs. They provide employee with a relaxed working environment and give employees the company's products. They allow employees to participate in projects and a variety of new products experiments. They also organize employees to travel. They give employees holiday every year. Structure. Google's organizational structure is a cross-functional organizational structure. Google's structure is a flat. Flat structure means that Google's organizational structure allows employees to not through the middle department. They can send the report to the top department. For example, Google will ensure the functions of employees and assign to the staff the appropriate task. Google can use these organizational structures to discover more valuable employees to help company achieve the goal. They also have a small team. This small team approaches to help improve efficiency. It can improve the working and allow employees to have the right to decide the direction of autonomy. Google's organizational structure as an internal factor, it affects the enterprise employees, and it can be better applied to the company's development and company's strategy.